Hi friends, welcome to our channel. This is the interview questions. The question is a valid parenthesis. The string contains these three parentheses. First one is parenthesis, second one is called a square bracket, the third one is curly braces. Now the length of the string will be 1, maybe minimum 1 to 104. Open bracket must be closed by the same type of brackets. Open brackets must be closed in the correct order. So this is the validation we need to do by using the Python. Now let us see some of the cases. If the input is like this is the starting brace and ending brace. Now the output is a value. Now the second one you can see it over here. So this is also a valid. But if we see the third one, this is an invalid. Now if you see the fourth one, you can see this is also an invalid. But if we see the fifth one, you can see this is the value. So how we need to check this one, and we try to do as a human, you can see this corresponding to this. If it is there, this is the value. Now this one is there, this one is there, this one is there, it's a value. But if we come over here, this is not. So you may have some logic as a human. Your brain or thinking can be processed, but now how we will inform in a computer by using the programming language that is nothing but the Python. So for this one, I am giving as an input. So this S is the input. You can take it case by case and we try to decode. So for this one, I am writing as in a valid. Check valued case or not. So this is the one, and we are getting as a string. You can consider this is a string, and return what we try to give valued. Else these are the two cases we try to do. Return will be having the two thing. Okay, so this condition is passes, then we can say true or otherwise it's a false. Now we need to write. So what is an objective? So process, okay, valued parenthesis. So this is nothing but the checking of a valid parenthesis. This is the checking of valid parenthesis. So this one we try to do. Now I am taking as a local variable that is nothing but as a p, that is a parenthesis. I am making it like this. Okay. Now I am taking one by one from the string that is nothing but as in a ch in string, and this one we try to do it bit later. So we try to take this one and we will pass from the input. So if underscore underscore name is equal to underscore underscore main. So this is the one, and we try to give the check validate. So this one we are passing, this is the yes. So I am taking this x under the main. You can see it. Now let us print this one so that we can get. This is step number one. Slowly we will try to construct. Okay, this is printing. So whatever we are passing, whether it is getting or not. Second one. Now here I am defining the two dictionaries. One is called as an D1, another one is called as an D2. So dictionary mean key and value. So the whatever the things it is having, this is the key and value. So I am taking this one and I was putting over here, and this one is also I am taking like this. I am putting like this. So this is a key and value I need to put separately. So let me do this one, and both looks like a same. So what is the purpose? So that could be your question. So first one will be the same, whatever we passed, the same thing I am giving. The second one will be the reverse. So that is the D1 and this is the D2. So the difference between the this much. Okay. Now if CH in D1, if CH in D1, what I try to do, I am adding P dot append. We can consider P dot append. We can consider APP append ch we can say. Instead of this as a string, let me make it as in a list. Sorry. Okay. If ch in d2, if it is a d2, if it is presenting, so now let us consider this first one. It is coming, so if it is there, then I'm appending onto it, so it is having this one. If ch, now this was there here, and if what can I say, length of an p not equal to 0, and p minus 1, the last one unit, whatever. Now this one, what we can say, d2, whatever it is there, d2 of the ch, you can say d2 of the, if it is there, then what I am trying to do, it is called as an p dot pop. I am doing, I am removing it out. Okay. If it is not there, else if it is not there, return invalid. If nothing is not there. Okay. So that is the one thing. And finally, I am coming over here. I am coming to the end of this one. If length of p is equal to 0, I am returning as an valid, else I am returning as invalid. Okay. Now let us check one by one. So if it is coming, the first one you can say it is append. Next thing it is, see it over here. Second one, we try to add this one. Sorry, we try to add this one. Sorry. Second one, yes, exactly. Yeah. Wait for a minute, and the second one will be this. If we, sorry, we're having this one, you can have this one. If we're having this one, can have this one. Clear. So you can, only the thing, the first and second one will be the values, it is the same, but the keys are different. So this one of the things, sorry for that. Now if it is this, now let us check whether we can get the data. So valid. So now what we need to do, print. So that one we cannot. So that's where. So it's a valid. Now let us take it this as an invalid case. Now one by one we want to check so that it will be very clear. Now I am taking the example number 2. Example number 2 I am taking, and I am copying to here so that we can cover everything. It's a value. Example number 3 I am taking over here. You can do it onto here. It's an invalid. Example number 4 we can see. Now we can see it's invalid. Example number, what is this one? 4. Now let us see example number 5 and close. Valid. So this is the question, valued parenthesis. This is the parenthesis. This is square bracket. This is curly braces. So now how we try to check this one. Okay. Now what we can add? We can add, okay, 1 and 2 so that we can get the same thing. Bit more complicated I am making. You can see it over here. One more time. One more time. And I'm adding this fifth one. Okay, so like this I compose. So it's a valid and you can check this one. So like this, these questions is a bit, we try to think and analyze and frame the logic, which is, it's an intermediate to a bit and advanced. It requires some thinking and processing how the logic need to be framed and executed and constructing the code. So such these three we have initially framed. So this is the base it has been given. And second, I am using the append and pop, which is nothing but the list operation. Sometimes we can call it as a push and pop. These are all call it as in a list operations. Okay, so these are the list or stack operations. So now we try to close over here. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment section and we try to meet in the next interview code. Thank you.